In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print an email on the Outlook application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open the Outlook application if you have it already on your PC. Of course, if you don't have it, you will need to go and open any browser you are currently using. Once you open that browser, go to the URL section and type download Outlook. Hit the enter button and go to the first link. Start downloading your Outlook. Of course, that I guess will be easy. That will be like any other download. So you must have been like already downloaded something in your PC, an application or something like that. So it will be the same steps. It will be pretty simple. Once it's downloaded in your PC, you will need to go and install it and open it. Once it's opened, they'll ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, that will be good, but if you don't have an account, you'll need to go and create one. If you have the option from there, that will be great, but if you don't, you will need to go to their website and create an account, then come back here and log in into it, and you will be good to go. Once you're logged in into your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. And as I said in the beginning of the video, we would like to print an email on our Outlook application. So if you want to do that, you can just go to whatever email you have. And of course, let me just go here as an example and go to this email. Let's say as an example, I want to print it. If I want to do that, just go and hover it and right click on that email. Once you did that, you will need to go just to this option, which is quick print. If you click on it, if you have a print or inserted on your PC, it will start printing directly. And that will be it actually. As you can see, I have a print icon here at the bottom right corner, and that means it's printing right now. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.